boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. Justin Bieber song called Better Man. So Justin Bieber, yes, the whole world knows about this boy with this silky, sweet voice, and we're gonna learn his Better Man song. Let's do it with capo on second. That's the absolute best snare for us. And let's go to chords, and we're gonna start with G. Okay, so G goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord will be the D F chord. So basically at this point, when you use it in the verse play or chorus, you're gonna just play the bass notes of it, pretty much bass or mid. So what you go from this G, you just play this part here. You do this second fret E string with the index finger, then open A, open D, second G, and you keep the bottom there from the G chord, third B, and third E. So you just go from this and recuperate your two fingers, index and mid, to this. Alright? So that's the D F chord. Then you have the E minor, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Then comes the D. That will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. We also got the C. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. And finally we have the A minor 7. That will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so we have this main pattern or played in this chorus, and also it comes back throughout the song here. So it's played like this. Okay, that's my take on it. So you're gonna play G first 2 downs, and the starting here of this chord progression is focused on the bass strings, because that is where the magic happens. So G 2 downs, then the D F 2 downs, then the E minor 2 downs, then the D 2 downs. And finally on the C, we have to learn the strumming pattern. So we have a 2-part strumming here. You're gonna play the first half like this. Okay, so that is to play down, down, clap, down, up. That's the first part. And the second part continues with up, down, clap, down, up. So together will be down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. And you're gonna play one of these on the C chord, and that ends the chord progression, and that rolls for 4 rounds. Okay, so G, D, F, E minor, D, and C strumming. And that was 2 rounds. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that. Then comes the post-chorus part. I feel so close. Now you're gonna stay on the D chord and play 1 string round, and then you shift to C and play 1, and you do that for the second round, D1 and C1. So you play D1, C1, 2 rounds. Okay. And that is on the 40-second mark. Then starts the verse play at 55 seconds in, and you're gonna start that verse with playing how you started the song, this G, D, F, E minor, D, and C 1 string round. That is kind of the main playing here in the song. You're gonna play that for first 2 rounds, then you're gonna jump back and play that D 1 string round and C 1 string round for another 2 rounds. And then at 1 minute and 21 seconds in, this is where you have to split the strumming pattern, because you're gonna play A minor, part 1, that's down, down, clap, down, up. Then you shift to the D F chord and play part 2, up, down, clap, down, up. Then you go to G and play part 1, the down, down, clap, down, up. And then you play C, part 2, up, down, clap, down, up. That A minor, D, F, G, C, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. And then you're gonna play the A minor, part 1, then D, F, part 2, and then you're gonna finish off with that main pattern again, the G, down, down, D, F, E minor, D, and then 2 strumming rounds on the last C chord. So that's a long part I just mentioned now. It starts at 1 minute and 21 seconds in. I'm gonna take you through that part now. So we're gonna play first A minor 7, part 1, D, F, part 2, G, part 1, and C, part 2 for 2 rounds. So it goes like this. And then you're gonna finish off with A minor 1, part 1, D, F, part 2, and then you're gonna play that main theme G, D, F, E minor, D, and C. And the last C there, you're gonna play 2 strung rounds, okay? So it goes like this. All right. And then finally in the song, you're gonna play the outro parts, and that is to stay on that main pattern, chorus / verse play, whatever, the G, D, F, E minor, D, C, and play that for 8 full rounds. We're gonna finish off with 1 round that goes like this. Because it's that great. And guys, you have finished a song from Justin Bieber called Better Man. Cool song, give it a try. It fits the guitar very well. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to support me, give me some likes or comments here. I read everything. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Appreciate that, and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.